Hello, I am Vivek Marathe. I am the head of IT department of Tata Memorial Center. Under Tata Memorial Center, there are 7 cancer hospitals across the country. The Department of Pathology is a very important department in case of the any cancer hospital, because the pathology report diagnosis that the patient is having a cancer or not. So the most important Department of Pathology under computerization was focused. As the time went on, it was decided that the Department of Surgical Pathology needs to go for a synoptic reporting system, because the data has to be captured in a very systematic manner and in a concise manner. There was many interactions with the uh, users. There were many between the users, doctors, paramedical staff, and it was decided that Neural Bits will develop the software for the synoptic reporting system. It was decided that we will go for the cloud to store the data instead of the database server, which was the normal case. There were many benefits of going to the cloud, as Tata Hospital has many other tertiary cancer centers across the country. The department of IRB is also a very important department of the Tata Memorial Hospital. There is a project undertaken which was IRB portal. After the experience of synoptic reporting system of pathology department from Neural Bits, Tata Hospital decided to go for the IRB portal development also through the Neural Bits, and they have done an excellent job as far as IRB portal is concerned. And IRB portal, there was a phase 2 of the IRB portal, which was also given to Neural Bits for the development. Messrs. Neural Bits are having excellent technical skill sets to develop such a complex synoptic reporting system and the IRB portal, and they are working day and night to achieve their targets, and they deliver the software in time. We don't have to ask them that when you are giving and all that. They will themselves stick to the deadlines strictly, with the active support of the end users as far as synoptic reporting is concerned and the IRB portal. All the users are also giving their extra input to make the system a great success, and we are happy with the Neural Bits. Thank you.